Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 280. If we start with this box, we're missing let's see, 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 covering here and here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. And that means our 8 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got the 5 here, so 6, 7. 7 here, so 5, 6. 7 here, so 5, 6. That means our 7 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 has to be here. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this bottom row now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 8s covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 2 up, and the 5 here. That means this has to be our 2, and this has to be our 3. And this is our 5. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. For this top row now, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 6. That 9 means this is our 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this row, looks like we're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. Got no help here. 1, 5, 6. 1 here, so 5, 6, and no help here. 1, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 2. A 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 6. That 6 makes this our 4 and our 1. And that 4 makes this our 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 4, 9. This 5 makes this our 6, 5. That 5 and 6 makes this our 1. That 6 makes this our 5 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.